Chocolate and salty snacks, do they go together? Well, Thomas from Lindt Chocolate is here to show us, yes, they can go very well together.
Absolutely, like it's a really luxurious little snack if we sort of
Yeah.
combine them. And we know salt actually seasons chocolate. It brings out that beautiful flavor. So when you combine a couple of different textures, so a little pretzels and some crunchy bits, so we make our bespoke little sweet and salty snack mix.
Right, okay.
So a little bit of this. You can actually put some sweet sort of breakfast cereal as well, as sort of like a sweet twist. Something maybe a little bit spicy. And this is something where you can make your own mix and put it in an airtight sort of container and have that stashed away. Absolutely delicious.
There are so many different snack blends that do have a pop of sweetness in there. So it does really make sense that chocolate can work well with it.
Absolutely. And, you know, again, sort of with chocolate, use something really nice and intense to sort of cut through all of that.
Yes.
Or you can put something with a bit of a fruit inclusion, so do a little bit of a mixture of it as well. So, but I think chocolate makes a real difference. So I got a little bit of milk excellence and some 70%. Blend that all together.
Yep.
And this is going to make a lot of people very happy. Just having a little snack at night time. And there we go. We finish it with a little diamond of Lindt Excellence on top. And here's your own bespoke chocolate sweet and salty snack mix.
I love that. That's fantastic. Make it yourself at home so it tastes even better.